Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius. You can easily convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa using Google. But if you want to know the exact mathematical operations for conversion, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Let's suppose we want to convert 32 degrees Celsius to its equivalent Fahrenheit value. So we need to perform two mathematical operations. First one is to multiply the Celsius value with 1.8 and then add 32 to that value. So when we multiply 32 with 1.8, the answer will be 57.6. Now add 32 to 57.6 and the addition will be 89.6. So we can say that 32 degrees Celsius is equal to 89.6 degree Fahrenheit. If you try to convert on Google, you will get the same result. Now let's see how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's suppose we want to convert 95 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Here as well we need to perform two mathematical operations but in the reverse way. First subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit value and then divide that value by 1.8. So 95 minus 32 is 63. Now let's divide 63 by 1.8 which is 35. So we can say that 95 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. If you try this on Google, you will get the same Celsius value. So in summary, to convert degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, first multiply the Celsius value with 1.8 and then add 32 to that value. And to convert degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, first subtract 32 and then divide the answer by 1.8. So that was the short tutorial on how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.